Right, first of all, I want you to do something for me, right? When I say E, you have to say J, right? Because that's my rap name. E! E! Right, let's go. It's funny, as you get older, life gets more complex. You're often stressed and begin to be talking less. The fear of the future is constantly on my mind. They don't think EJ worries cause of my songs I'm fine. But that's the only thing that relaxes this scared teen. I gotta ask some questions like why they didn't prepare me for this clear dream. And where is the love and care been? When I needed the people I love, they weren't there when these tears streamed down my face. Everybody was hurting my soul, but at the same time my head was on the earth to explode. But they can't stop me, they can't get this curtain to close. Not asking for much, I just want my life to be perfect and grow to the person that people think positive about, and take my mom and dad with me and try to get us out. They say I've changed, you gotta be more precise. I'm getting out of this everyday struggle you call a normal life. And as this room seems to be getting smaller, they say my rhymes are soft, maybe you should listen harder. Cause underneath this kid that always have the happy face on, his happy face gone. Change is a part of growing and growth is a part of changing. But I don't like the way it's going. Always seems like my heart is aching. It's not working in my benefit. Lately I don't learn a lot. It's like the older I was getting, the more immature I got. I pushed away the people that love me and brought fakes closer. I ran straight into battle like a brave soldier. I was never anybody's first choice to wait for Lota. They took from under me. Now I'ma take over. A terrified kid that always lets us not speak first. Other than school he was quiet. His best friends were teachers. Mr. Penn and Mrs. Pat to help him with a unique verse. Now these rhymes open doors for me, yeah, key words. They saw my faith and my vision and motivation. The lyrics making a difference, gotta keep it coming cause hating's delicious. Yeah, I feed off it, it gives me stamina. I wanna show you how the beat has a big impact on my life. Has been spent on the ground, my fight has never lasted the first round. So tonight, I'm making my way through the crowd. Grab the mic and show the people what EJ's all about. So how is it when I think they couldn't kill me? I stand up and they show me that I am still weak. I can't see it, so that's why I ask, have I changed? Or am I still the same? I'm made far away and I haven't got peace after it. It's trying to be something that he's not. No wonder his weak asses kick your teeth and crooked your face is funny. You need fashion tips. Look at yourself, can you not see through those cheap glasses? Kid, I thought I would have accomplished something by being passionate. It's not making any sense, that's why I need answering. Sitting on my own thinking of questions that always startle me like they rain on your parade, but yet you're still marching feet. I travel across the seas, make sure every country fought with me. When I've done that, maybe then they'll let the starving artist speak and realize my tracks must be left clearly, cause that says all it takes is for the right pair of ears to hear me. I was convinced my name was Blue cause the concert cheers, cause I say scream my name and that was the response I hear. Negative made positive, I receive greatness, have all the time in the world, but I need patience. My life has been spent on the ground. My fight has never lasted the first round. So tonight, I'm making my way through the crowd. Grab the mic and show the people what EJ's all about. So how is it when I think they couldn't kill me? I stand up and they show me that I am still weak. I can't see it, so that's why I ask, have I changed? Or am I still the same? Am I still the same? I don't think I am, cause I cannot feel the pain that used to be there, eating away at my soul. Kept my vision no matter how much they tried fading my goal. Took this dream that I was chasing alone and made it my own. Yeah, my own. Reset my inspiration is known. I made it all right when I was facing the wrong, and the hating was strong. The anger was bursting out of me. I was uptight but untangled the personality and spit the illest verses right from the gut of me. Chasing this dream so fast, you can call me Thunder Feet. My flow is so sick, I ain't gonna let no doctor treat it. Confidence oozing out of me, it have to be numb not to feel it. All this love I was getting made my brain expand more. I gotta get my face off this damn floor. My life has been spent on the ground. My fight has never lasted the first round. So tonight, I'm making my way through the crowd. Grab the mic and show the people what EJ's all about. So how is it when I think they couldn't kill me? I stand up and they show me that I am still weak. I can't see it, so that's why I ask, have I changed? Or am I still the same?
Yeah! Hey, Jamie, look at what I'm having!